Hi guys, this is the Ride with Roland. I'm Roland. Look at my bike, how dirty she is. And you want to know why she's that dirty? I'm gonna show you in the next video. Of course you can read it in the title, so yeah, what's the point? Okay, in this video no mountains or thousands of miles, but I'm gonna show you the beautiful north of Holland. An area called Drenthe, famous for its stone hunebeds. I'm gonna tell you more later about it in this video when we come to them. Now, while I'm recording my own voiceover now and sitting behind the computer to edit all these images, I see the white balance of my camera was totally wrong. And with totally wrong, I really mean totally wrong. Everything looks very yellow. But yeah, well, I try to fix this in post. So the colors may be a bit weird. Trust me, they are not that weird as on my screen right now. By the way, I bring out a new video every Friday, so you might consider subscribing to my channel if you want to know more about motorcycles, but also with a little bit of fun. I planned this weekend trip with some friends in September. The weather is nice and in the beginning with just a little bit rain, but that will change soon. We stopped at some point for something to eat and Charles, one of the riders, had a whole kitchen with him, so that was perfect. Well, you can say what you want about these GS riders, but those guys can survive the zombie apocalypse with just their bikes. They are fully packed with shit for that. Although we're all on German bikes, I'm the only one driving a GT, the rest is driving a GS. But we're not going off-road, so that won't be a problem. In the summer earlier, I was also in the north of Holland for a weekend trip with a nice Airbnb house. And every time I am amazed how peaceful and calm the living is here. I definitely could live here someday. And maybe I will do that someday. Always wanted to have my own little farm. The north of Holland, especially Drenthe, that's a beautiful area to drive in. It has many small curvy roads with little farms and a lot of trees and water. It might be the best what the Netherlands has to offer. So I suggest definitely drive here when you're driving in the Netherlands. Just look at those cliffs. Nice, eh? And here we stopped at some booze store. Cause someone wanted a bottle of Bacardi. And no, it wasn't me. I don't drink that shit. I'm riding this trip with brand new tires, the Road 5 from Michelin. What you don't see is that it was raining almost all day. My camera was not waterproof. I tried it, but it went down with the rain. Here in Drenthe they got those old roads with the slippery stones, especially when it's wet. And I have to say, I'm really impressed. My new tires are very sticky to the pavement, even when it was completely soaking wet. Hi guys, well, I'm now in an excellent hotel room. It's actually very big, so that's very good. But yeah, it was a great day. We had an amazing ride. Holland is still a very beautiful place. It has a lot of curvy roads. Also, it was very fun to ride. Now we're gonna have some dinner and a little bit of a booze, of course. And tomorrow another day of driving. So that will be fun. But now, let's have a dinner. Nice, I'm hungry. I totally forgot to film the dinner in the hotel, so I will show you some random people eating. It's not us, but hey, you don't know, right? And those two were also not there, but you can pretend they were. Actually, in fact, it was kinda empty because of Corona. But it was fun, and we, or me I must say, had a bit too much drinks, but it's okay. I didn't have to drive, of course. Good morning, guys. I forgot totally. Filmed the dinner last night. Yeah, stupid. But after the dinner, we had some more drinks. And now I have a complete hangover, man. Because this was full. I think I was the only one who drank that stuff. So, but yeah, anyway, now at breakfast with a hangover. I feel still drunk. But I hope it will go away in the next hours. Because we have to drive. The weather is it's a bit rainy, I see. Let's first have a breakfast and it will all be alright. Well, not really. The next morning when I step on my bike, I don't feel good. And I keep the guys waiting on me because I have some close connection with the toilet. Pale white and walking like a zombie, I step on the bike and we continue our ride. It might have something to do with drinking a bottle of Jack Daniels and some wine yesterday, but I'm not sure. I should have filmed it. But like the dinner, I totally forgot about it. It is easy to forget stuff when you're having fun. We stopped at the famous Hunebeds. There are 52 in Drenthe and a real tourist attraction. Did you know those things are more than 5,000 years old? That's even older than the Egyptian pyramids. So yeah, then the camera stopped working because the rain killed it. But the good news is, I got a new camera. This is the GoPro 8, so there will be a much better image quality in the next upcoming videos. Really must shave myself. I also made a big trip this summer with a 4,000 kilometer solo ride through Europe, mostly France. I also made a video what I pack for that kind of journeys, what I take with me, and I will also put it in the description, or you click on the video here and here. That's also possible. Thank you very much for watching, and please remember, subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.